over here at this construction site again because it's fun. But this time I got Christopher Wallace, got the Notorious, so we're gonna mess around with that one. Last time I brought out the Chala. So this one, I don't have the car mounted camera for the Notorious right now. Bean juice. Alright, so this is gonna get an 8S run because my 6S battery is not fully charged because I took it to the sculpture field earlier. But honestly, I just kind of want to bash around today. Check this out over here. Because there's some dirt piles that I didn't jump the last time with Italian that I feel like I gotta jump with this one. See, if you're strong enough, everything's a thumb screw. What was that? Must have been an airplane. Alright, before it gets dark, let's play around. Woo! The 8S ain't playing. Oh yeah. Damn, high centered. This being muddy got lit up. Woo, that's still wet. Something seems a little off on this though. So we're gonna give it a couple minutes and check the temps. Because even though I had that paper on there for the gear mesh set, it still sounds a little tight. Shit. No, we ain't gonna do that. All right, let's hit this one time. Do a quick temp check. right, let's check it real quick. Damn it. And it very well could be fine. But it definitely sounds different than it did earlier. But earlier it was loose, so I think the thing that's getting me is it just feels like it's got some drag brake set up on there, and I don't use that. It's already at 150. And I guess it's all right. Huh. We're gonna go a little bit longer, get a couple good jumps, and call it good. And it's already off of there. You know what? This is getting red Loctite. I'm tired of having to take this apart. Do the third time today. We're gonna put this pinion gear on here and we're gonna make sure it don't come back off. And then I'm gonna do some street bashing, some pavement bashing later on. Damn it, I wanted to come out here, but I'll come back with Zeus. And I'll mount the camera on this thing, get another mount on it, and then I'll come back here. That way I kind of get more of a... Well, hold on, what the hell? It's sliding back and forth. That's definitely the pinion gear. Yep. You know what? Hold on. Oh, this thing is sliding right now. Truth be told, like, I just want to get a back clip or two off of these hills. There's perfectly good dirt in here. And the Notorious is set up perfect for it. Maybe that's what I'll do is I'll bring both rigs out and do a little comparison. Oh, that sounds better. And it rolls. That's better. That's what it's supposed to sound like. That counts as landing it. This thing's badass on 8S. All right. That took no effort. Yeah. 8S is the way. Oh shit, okay. I wonder, no, I'm not gonna do that because that's a good way to break it, but I think y'all see where I'm going with this. Yep. Oh yeah, I think it can do it. The only thing is if you lose it, you're going right into that. All right. Also, I think I'll try it. I'm gonna try to jump into that window at risk of breaking my truck. Yeah, oh yeah, we can do that. This is the hill I've been looking at from the road. All right, too bumpy. All right, since that works, we're gonna get the shot. Yeah, it ain't got no business being this fast. Yeah, that's probably like a 20-30 mile an hour rolling backflip. Oop, that wouldn't have done it. Let's do one more flip in here. That was not the angle I was looking for, but it worked. So the last time I was out, this over here was too muddy to mess with, so we're gonna check it out real quick. Because it ain't too muddy now. Oh, this is gonna be good. Woo! One thing is this has so much punch on 8S. Like, it's hard to tell what you're doing sometimes. You know what? Get out of there. There you go. Oh, sand in the shoes. Get a good backflip here real quick. Alright, I gotta land one off of this. There we go. Yeah, this is a fun little spot. Is there one more good one to jump? It's too dark to go inside the building right now. That'll cool it off. Oh, what? Oh, there's mud on me now. No biggie. Really? Again? Alright. Well, that'll do. Alright, good bash. Nice. Yeah, I still feel like this thing needs a heat sink, just because, I mean, it's a cheap way to protect the motor, and I already have a fan. A lot of people, you know, you just gear down, you could do this, that, and the other. In all honesty, I feel like my gearing right now is fine. I just like that all day factor where it just, I can throw whatever I want to at it and it just takes it. That's how I prefer my rigs. And the ESC is already there. I'll have to upgrade the fan on it soon. But right now it's pretty solid. Like, the ESC doesn't seem to care about anything that I've done so far. I don't think the temperatures on the ESC have cracked 150. I think I got there one time on the old one that got warrantied, and even that was like once, you know, during the summer. It's never thermaled, so yeah, I'm happy with it. It performs well. Alright, so that's it for the bash on the 1250 kV for today. I'm gonna go home and fix the painting gear. I may head back out somewhere else tonight, but if I do, I probably won't record it. I haven't had a bash session almost ever that I didn't record, and it kind of makes it to where it feels like a job more so than a hobby. And I don't get paid for this. I don't got no sponsor, no nothing. Don't nobody send me no free nothing. So I'm just gonna do this to enjoy it, and I don't want to make it feel like a job. So time to go home, chill out, see y'all later, bash home.